In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a new template to a page in Shopify. This process is straightforward and will allow you to customize the appearance and layout of your pages directly from the admin panel. Let's dive in. First, we're going to navigate to your Shopify admin panel, where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. From this list, find and click on Online Store. This will expand to show more options beneath it. Now select Pages. This is where all the pages you've created for your store are listed. It might show product pages, collection pages, or any other custom pages you've added. Once you're in the Pages section, take a moment to scan the list of pages. Click on the title of the specific page you want to modify. This action will open up the page editor, providing you with various customization options tailored to that particular page. Next, let's change the template. Scroll down within the page details until you find the section labeled Online Store. Here is where we can make some exciting changes. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Theme Template. This drop-down grants you the ability to select from any pre-existing templates that are available in your theme. If you have custom templates, they should also appear in this drop-down. Now, click on the Theme Template drop-down menu, and you'll be presented with a list of options. This is the fun part, as you can try out different looks and find the one that best suits your needs. Choose the template that you think will best highlight the content and purpose of your page. Finally, after selecting your desired template, remember to hit the Save button. You'll find this button usually at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures that all your changes are securely applied to the page. At this point, congratulations! You've successfully assigned a new template to your Shopify page. It's a great way to keep your site dynamic and tailored to your needs. Templates can vastly alter the look and feel of your pages, making them more aligned with your brand's aesthetic and the message you wish to convey. If you ever need to make further modifications, or if your needs change, you can always return to this menu and select a different template. Experimentation is encouraged, as it helps you understand the myriad ways you can present information to your audience. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stick around for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your Shopify store.